Have you ever pondered on the appearance of a four-dimensional shape? Mind-boggling, isn't it? Before diving into the abstract world of 4D, a solid understanding of the simpler two-dimensional and three-dimensional shapes will lay a solid foundation. Consider a simple line on a piece of paper. It's a one-dimensional figure having only length but no width or height. Now if you extend that line sideways, it forms a two-dimensional shape, like a square or a circle. These shapes have both length and width, but lack depth. They are flat, just like the paper they are drawn on. Moving up the dimension ladder, imagine pulling that square or circle outward, away from the paper. It forms a three-dimensional shape, like a cube or a sphere. These shapes have length, width, and depth. They are not flat anymore. They occupy space in the real world. Now here's the tricky part. How do you add another dimension to a three-dimensional shape? It's hard to visualize because we live in a three-dimensional world. But mathematically and theoretically, it's possible to conceive a four-dimensional shape. The most famous of these is the hypercube or tesseract. To summarize, a one-dimensional shape has only length, a two-dimensional shape has length and width, a three-dimensional shape has length, width, and depth, and a four-dimensional shape adds a fourth dimension that is hard for us to visualize. Remember, these concepts are fundamental building blocks in fields ranging from computer graphics to physics and beyond. So, even if they seem abstract, they have very real applications. If this piqued your interest, there's plenty more to explore. There's a whole universe of multidimensional shapes out there waiting for you to discover them. So, why not dive in? Before we wrap up, a gentle reminder to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps a lot and ensures you won't miss future videos. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep pushing the boundaries of your understanding.